Guys, I'm gonna show you the Flint River. It's been raining here for about a week straight, and water places around here are flooded or whatever. So let me show you what it looks like. Water's really fast and, you know, flowing. Kind of scared of water, so it's kind of raining too. Yeah, it's kind of high because if you look there, that's a driveway where I guess they used to drop, where they drop boats in or whatever, and that's coming up pretty high. Bring my phone. Bring my phone. Yeah, so if it doesn't quit raining sometime soon, then it's gonna be really flooded. And this is the Flint River. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. A lot of the roads are flooded a little bit. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the water, how high it was, how crazy it was. So give you guys another look. Like right here, that's where they drop boats in at. Make sure I don't steal my car while I'm trying to look at the water. I'm gonna drive across it so you guys can see some more.
This water is high.
A lot of houses that are built down here by the water, most of them are flooded. Like, at least like if they're like 2 stories, they're flooded on the first level or whatever. So yeah. So like I said, if it keeps raining, the water's gonna get higher and higher. So like I don't think it's crazy to where they're evacuating people, but still it's really crazy of how high this water is. I think we're getting like 2 to 3 inches a day or whatever. And a lot of the ponds and stuff that were dry are now overflowing. So I'm gonna put some stuff on Snapchat later, so you guys can follow me on Snapchat, Danny Flemister, and I'll post some snaps later on. That's it.